the Pindi Point chair. I just want to experience the Pindi Point. That's why we're going to Mari. Musawir is still sleepy. Good morning.
Yeah.
This is Mr. Hadi. Say hi.
Hi, good
Where are you
morning,
going?
everyone. We are going is Mari. Let's see how's the Mari. I go before, but she want their left chair. She say I want to go there the left chair. I say okay, we will go. But the way maybe around 43 kilometers. Inshallah, we are there.
It's good we got a cheap transportation because normally the special ones they're
4,000
charging
rupees.
4,000 rupees. So we
And this one only 250 rupees.
yeah, it's around 250 each. So we save a lot more. It's like 3,000. So if ever we want to stay there one night again, then maybe we can stay another night in the Mari, but we're planning to head back to Islamabad around 4 o'clock p.m. See you there in Mari. Okay guys, so we just arrived. We are finally here at Mari. I think this is their bus station. Ito yata yung bus station nila. Bus station ng Mari. So maghanap muna kami ng breakfast for the meantime kasi medyo nagugutom na kami before we go to Pindi Point. Okay, see you there. Ayan, we're just having breakfast. Oh, it's okay, kuya. Brother. Ayun, wow. Ito yung busy street ng Mari. O, diba? What is this? Parata. Show the people. Yeah.
Nacha parata.
Nacha parata.
Nacha parata.
Diba? Napaka-busy ni Kuya. Oh. Diba? Sobrang bilis. What is the name there in English?
Makkah restaurant.
Maka Restaurant. Diba? Only 2 minutes. Bam, bam, bam.
अच्छा हो गया जी क्या चीज़ है हमारी चिक्की
Bang, bilis-bilis nila.
हमारे तरह नहीं सीखो कि हमारी
This is water.
Oil in paratha.
शेफ तो तस्वीर बारे में
So they're making milk. You want to check milk?
Ah, this one? This is the milk? This is the malay? Ah, ito yung malay nila. This is malay. Malay. Ay, wow. This is very nice. Ito na yung finished product. Okay naman. Hindi naman ako maselan. So, kahit ano namang kinakain. Mainit ulo niya. Mainit ulo niya kasi gutom.
What do you say? I'm mad?
Hungry. I said, mainit ulo kasi gutom. Di ba bongga yung place? Oh, si Mr. Musawir. Ang ganda ng mga ano. Say hi! O, diba? Ayun mga local dito. And then, mga visitor, I think.
जोड़ा फिर कभी दे
Tingnan lang natin yung mga ano nila dito. Mga stall nila dito. So, eto yung bilihan. Ha?
show you fresh vegetable.
Oh. Ay, ang dami. Ito yung mga vegetable. Oh, di ba? Ay. Fresh vegetables. Assalamualaikum. Oh, di ba?
Everything is fresh.
Everything is fresh. Pero wala kaming ano. But we...
It's Sadar.
Father,
Sadar.
what's Sadar?
Sadar meaning is
My
big.
name is Sardar Abbas.
Sardar.
My name is Sardar.
Sardar. Nice meeting you, Mr. Sardar. Ay, this is carrots.
Yeah.
Wala, tingnan yung carrots nila, oh.
Eggplant.
Oh, eggplant. Eh, ganyan talaga yung mga eggplant. Ang lalaki ng eggplant dito. Oh, diba? Fresh, oh. Hindi naman tayo bibili. I just want to show you guys. Ito mga
बाजी साहब आप इंटरव्यू देना ना
interview. Okay na. Kompleto naman dito. May mga ganito din sila. Oh. Tanan. Oh, di ba may juicer, may blender. Oh, kompleto. This is the one we have.
Which one?
This one, no?
No, it's more big. Not same.
But this one is more big, no?
Yeah, it's more big.
Ah, this is for commercial use.
Yeah. Come.
Come down.
I want to buy for you this one, the blue one. I like so much.
Where?
You can wear this one, the shirt. Denim club. This is the one. This is the one.
I have this one now,
You
right?
have?
No, I have in...
Don't like. Hi.
Assalamualaikum. Diba, may mga adidas din sila. No. I'm just want to make video.
I'm thinking about the breakfast.
Karamihan dito mga ano, mga
You love the
damit-damit.
fresh apple.
Oh, di ba? Oh. Ano yan, dalandan?
Hello?
Actually, marami pa doon. Hi! Say hi to them. Hello. So we're going back. Mag-aano muna kami, magbe-breakfast muna kami. Tsaka kami babalik video ulit.
modern clothes, short